So your expectations of yourself, your employees, and especially your equipment are to settle for nothing less than the very best. So why would you settle for using OEM glass that'll break? Or another plastic window that won't fit properly and will not allow you to function at the highest level? Our Shields line of replacement windows for all makes and types of heavy equipment offer the identical form, fit, and function of that OEM glass, but with the safety and toughness advantages found only with the Shields window. 260 times stronger than glass, the look and the sensation of the OEM glass, our exclusive Supercoat hard coat applied after the window is formed permits the use of wipers in normal cleaning, no special treatment needed. Most importantly, our Shields line of windshields are the best heavy equipment windows in the world. My name is Shields, and I do make windshields, but I also put my name on every single window. The performance of my window will exceed your expectations. You'll be able to work safely. You're going to stay on time. You're going to go home, and you're going to come back and work again tomorrow. Because this is Shields. Performance, proven toughness.